In this lesson, let's start a design with a blank canvas and create something that sets you apart from the crowd. Start by clicking Create New at the top of the page, or you can head to the bottom and click on one of these preset sizes, or click on See All Blanks. You'll see tons of options to choose from there, or you can create a custom size. I'm creating an Instagram post, so I'm going to start with a square, and I want to add 2 collage cells. So I'm going to click on Collage at the top and fill each cell with a different color. I'm going to start with my brand colors and adjust the colors a bit. Now that I have my 2 cells, I'm going to head to my graphics and choose a graphic. As you can see, this has 2 colors, and I want to make the blue transparent, so it's just an arch. Now I'm going to head to my Photos tab. I'm going to add one from my hub, and I'm going to move that aside for now. I want to fill the arch with the same image, so I'm going to click on Fill with Image. I'm going to select the same one and click Edit Image Fill to reposition it. Then I'm going to resize the one I add to my canvas, and I'm going to align it perfectly by fading it so I can see through. Once I've aligned it, I'm going to adjust the fade and click Remove Background. It will remove the background and leave the subject, and I'm going to erase the meals that I don't want. Now it gives it a pretty cool 3D look. I'm going to go add some text and click Command D on my keyboard to duplicate the text. I'm going to flip it upside down and fade it. Now it looks like a reflection. I'm going to complete my design by adding more text and some design elements like some shapes. Next, let's start a design with a template.